So instead of doing this, isn't that cool? I love it. Okay. Good morning. Today it's a very quick tip. I wish we had a beautiful sun out, but it's not a sunny day today. But the quick tip today is how to get in and out of your Brompton very easy. Well, I want to share with you this tip because it's so easy to get in and out of the bike, the Brompton, especially because there's no tube over here. So you can cross your leg over, You don't need to go from behind. And it's interesting because if you're gonna do this several times in a bike touring travel, vacation, in and out, putting your leg all the way from behind, it's more effort. When you don't have to put your leg up to get out of the bicycle, it makes a big difference. If you're gonna do it, lots of time during the day, and that's what happened on bike touring. So the tip is, she came here to help me film, and him too. Well, the tip is, you gonna put, usually, why do we stand on the left side of the bicycle? Do you know? Because the chain is on the right side of the bicycle. So if you stay there, if you push your bike from the right side of the bicycle, sometimes you touch the chain and makes your leg or pants dirty. So the best way so is stay on the left. So let's start from the left. First thing first, put your right hand on your handlebar and voila! Friends, let's start again. First thing first, put your right hand on your handlebar and put your weight on your handlebar also at the same time as you put your weight on the pedal. Do one, sometimes two, and that's it. And you're ready to ride. That cool? Get out from your Brompton, do the same thing. See? It's like this. Easy. I like it. I like it very much. You push towards the front, and that's it. Okay, I know. It's a very, very simple tip. But quick tips are like this. Channel is growing so much, and we have so many new subscribers, and this is so cool. And I know that for some people this tip is so easy. We do this already, but there's a lot of people that are brand new users of Brompton, and they're not used to it because you come from another bicycle, and from the other bicycles we put the legs on top. So I decided to tell this tip again because we have a lot of new subscribers, lots of new Brompton users that don't know about it. And that's the best and easier way to get in your Brompton and out and ride around. I hope you did like it. It's a very short, quick tip. I have a lot of board friends here. Here's a very nice place. This is Lagoa, Rodrigo de Freitas, Rio de Janeiro. Hope you did like it. Bye-bye.